What's up, everybody? I'm Jaime Perez. I'm here with Justin from KayakDIY YouTube channel. He is one of our customers. He owns, what kind of batteries did you buy?
So I own the 100 amp hour Mini, and it's a 12 volt version. And that's what I power all my motors on my kayaks with. I chose this particular battery for a reason. There's a lot of companies out here, a lot. But the number one thing you want to look for is, are they producing a grade A cell battery? That's one, because they're graded on the quality of the cells. The other thing is, I'm a dad, I'm a family man. I work hard for my money. I need to have something at a good price point. And LiTime batteries had that for me. They had really good price points that I was comfortable pushing to my viewers, because I'm not gonna push a battery that's 3 times the money if it's not offering anything better. And they weren't. The other companies that are out here that have all the fancy, logos, and they have all the pro staff people, many of them were 3 times the money and they weren't offering anything better. And I said, well, that's foolish. Why on earth would I tell my viewers to go buy something and lose more money, more of their hard-earned money, when they're not getting anything better? So that's where LiTime batteries came in, and yeah, I ended up getting the 100 amp hour minis. I have 2 of them. One goes on the charger when the other one's being used, and they flip-flop. And I mean, I'm out on the water all the time. I'm also an owner in a boat motor company, so I co-own Autoboat, and that's what we're using on all the motors.
So you're pretty much recommending this battery to quite a bit of people?
To a lot of people. Yeah, I think for the money, it is the best battery that you're gonna be able to get right now. It is 100% the best battery. Great quality, I've never had any issues, and I have used other brands of batteries. I'm not gonna trash talk them, but I've had other ones that have failed on me really early. And I've had 0 failures with my batteries.
Beautiful. That's good to know.
And the other thing too is, some other companies are offering 100 amp hour 12 volts, which is a popular size. A lot of people like that 100 amp hour size, but they're offering bigger casings. LiTime batteries has the mini option, which is a little bit nicer, since I'm kind of coming from the kayaking world, small watercraft world. Smaller is better.
Yeah. When we came out with the 12 watt 100 amp hour minis, we had the little guys in mind for the kayaks, the canoes, guys with the smaller boat applications out there.
Exactly.
To be able to use those kind of batteries. Now, for lithium product, even with LiTime, is there a specific kind of lithium product you might want to see a company like LiTime come out with?
So, I mean, I did talk to you guys a little bit about some of like the roughly 48 volt systems, because I'm starting to now also run electric outboards. That's another big thing you're going to start seeing here at ICAST, is you're going to see electric outboards, because some waters and tournaments, they don't allow gas.
Yep.
So what are you going to do? You're going to be running an electric outboard. I mean, if you want to get anywhere competitively, you're going to need it. So you're going to need a battery. And so a lot of those are in that 36, 48, maybe 50, roughly 52 volt. That kind of span is kind of what some of those outboards are running to get into like that 3 to 6 horse roughly. So yeah, it actually looks like you already have some of those batteries, so you're a little bit ahead of the curve on that. I saw you actually had an e-propulsion motor there, and that's what drew me to attention to the booth, and then kind of like, oh, it's these guys, I'm already using their batteries. So it works out, it works out.
Well, I'm Jaime Perez. This is Justin. I really do appreciate you being a customer of ours. Appreciate you buying our batteries.
Absolutely.
I'm very glad you enjoy our batteries.
Absolutely.
And we hope that you could be able to get a lot more customers come our way to buy more batteries for the
absolutely.
kayaks.
I'm very comfortable sending my viewers to LiTime to get their batteries. And yeah, it just comes down to grade A cells, quality, and you guys are very responsive. I mean, you guys are very responsive. You're good at your customer service, and that's what I want my viewer. I want my viewers taken care of.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So I'm Jaime Perez. This is Justin. Once again, thank you again. You guys heard it from him first. Loves these batteries. Thank you.